Hey guys! Just in time before I leave for office. So for today's video, I'm just gonna make this very quick kasi uwi na si ate mo girl. So isasabay ko lang siya ngayon. So I'm just so excited and I wanted to record this. It's because I've been eyeing for this bag for so long. Siguro ko 3 years na. I actually really want this bag. It's just that sobra akong namamahalan. Tapos parang hindi siya practical nung time na yon. Up until today, hindi siya practical. I'm just being so impractical and impulsive, kaya ako siya binili. Yeah, yun lang. So, let's start. Unloading! Unpacking pala. So, yeah, let me just clip this in. Clip in. So, let's open. So, I bought this from Amazon. Well, this is it's actually a travel bag. Oh my God. I'm so excited by just opening this. So, it's actually a North Face in yellow color. And it's called Fused Box North Face. I've always wanted this. Kaya lang, time na yun. Hi! I've always wanted this, pero hindi ko siya binibili kasi ang mahal niya, like not ridiculous, sa akin, ridiculously expensive. So, finally, nabili ko na siya. So, there you go. By the way, I really like this color, the yellow one. Ang ganda niya. Kaya siya tinawag na fused box kasi mukha nga naman siyang fused box, right? Look. Wow, so cute. I actually have this kind of bag. Pero ano siya, yung duffel bag, yung kasya yung 10 kilos. Yan. Ito siguro kung mga 10 kilos ba yun? Mga 15 kilos ata or 13 kilos yung kaya nun. Tapos, ito siya. Ganito siya. This is so cute. Feeling ko pwede siyang pang cabin or check-in bag. This is so nice. I really like the color. Very iconic. The North Face yellow one. Felt like it's very iconic color. So yeah, parang cute niya. Oh, so nice, right? So, meron siyang lagayan ng laptop or whatever. Tapos meron siyang may mga, I'll show you later. Wow. So, ganito siya. Look. Tapos mukha talaga siyang fused box. Kaya siya tinawag na the North Face fused box. So cute, oh. You're praying? May mga dumating. So, eto siya. It's cute, right? So, let me just do some testing. Cute. Oh, ayan siya.
Setting up something or what?
No. I'm on a video, by the way. Let me just try this out. Kalimutan. Just sorry na. Yeah. Can you hear me? Yeah. What can you say? Mukhang okay naman siya, diba? Tapos maganda dito kasi meron siyang clip. Wow. So nice. So nice, right? Right? Meron siyang clip dito sa middle, which is I really like. Felt like na parang makakatulong siya sa akin sa likod. Siguro kung mga ang kasya dito, mga 8 or 10 kilo. Depende. Yes. So, yeah. What do you think? Pwede na siguro to. Oh! Check natin. So, what can you say? Ang cute niya, no? Hindi ko lang na-adjust yung strap, pero pwede pa tong babaan. Pero I felt like it's so cute, diba? Color yellow. The North Face, pink, yellow. The North Face fused box, yellow. So yeah, may pink to actually, maraming kulay. Pero gusto ko talaga ng yellow para partner sila ng duffel bag ko, if in case. So yes, what can you say? Ang nice, diba? Pwede na. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like to subscribe. Meron tayong YouTube channel, pero subscribe to Breeza May TV, cherries. So anyway, if you like this bag, you can actually search in Amazon the North Face Fused Box. Kasi fused box siya. So yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!